premium version of President Trump's Truth Social platform is now out that gives users early access to the feeds of its highest-profile users to subscribers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Although the Truth API announcement doesn't specifically refer to President Trump's post, the president's Truth Social account, where he frequently posts U.S. government policy and economic updates, is by far the platform's largest. Trump Media and Technology Group, the parent company of Truth Social, said in a press release announcing the new service that it had already signed up customers for the service, which promises a direct, licensed, real-time feed of the platform's most market-moving truths. According to CEO Kevin McGurn, markets already move on Truth Social Post. The company's stock, which trades under the ticker DJT, rose sharply as markets opened Monday morning. The company told NPR that the API provides customers the fastest way to ingest publicly available Truth Social data and isn't in violation of insider trading rules. But Warren and Schiff pointed to the president's post on the U.S. war with Iran as an example of the ways his feed has affected the stock market, saying in their letter, Trump's periodic posts on stop and start peace talks have at times battered oil futures, leaving some traders on the wrong sides of million-dollar bets. At the time of the new service's launch on August 1st, Trump's Truth Social account had 13 million followers. On the next Monday morning, there were two new posts on his account, one dismissing what he called fake poll numbers, and another scolding oil company executives to get oil prices down now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.